Hello and welcome. If you don't want to follow the traditional method of publishing book, that is approaching to publishing houses and publishing a book from there, you have a very competitive alternative, that is publishing a book via Amazon. But how do you get started with publishing a book from Amazon? Well, Amazon offers a self-publishing platform called Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP in short, that allows you to publish your book in both digital and physical formats. To get started, you have to create your KDP account, and that can be done by going to kdp.amazon.com and press enter. I've had tried to sign up for the account previously, so let's sign up first. So you will have a page like this, and all you have to do is click on join KDP. But here's the deal. If you already have an Amazon account, you don't need to create a brand new KDP account. You can just use your existing Amazon account and resume creating a KDP account from there. So if you don't have an Amazon account too, you definitely do have to fill these fields right here and then create your KDP account. But in my case, I already have an Amazon account. I'm going to sign in, clicking on here. Here we need to enter our email or mobile phone number and password, whichever you used in your signing up process for Amazon account or KDP account, right? I'm just gonna enter it and click on sign in. Sign in. It is saying our account is incomplete, so publish a book, we need to update it. So let's click on update now. Here's the security code entering field. We're gonna go to our email and check the security code sent by Amazon, especially KDP, and submit code. We also need to verify our phone number again, so let's select our country. Alright, send OTP. But sometimes this may or may not work right away. You need to come back a couple of times to complete this step. Alright, if in your case you receive a OTP, do enter it and continue and follow the prompts. Alright, but now I'm gonna go back to my kdp.amazon.com and press enter. Here is our previous page. Now we need to create a new title or series. This is to create a new book. Alright, create. There we need to choose whether we want to have a Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, and series page. If you just want to go with good old Kindle ebook, let's do create ebook. So we need to select the language, book title, and subtitle. It is part of any series, entering it, edition number, author, first name or contributor. Here are contributors again. Now description about the book, publishing rights, primary audience, primary marketplace, keywords that highlights our book. We also have an option to make our ebook available for pre-order. Once you do that, you need to click on next step. Once you click on save, here is a page that has a place to enter the manuscript and Kindle ebook cover, AI generated content if you want to use AI, Kindle ebook preview, and Kindle ebook ISBN. It is optional for now. And again, save and continue. Once you've done that, the next step will be about pricing, how much royalty you want to receive and how much you want to price the book at, and other details about pricing. And if you follow the prompts, your book will be available for readers in Kindle ebook, since we have selected to choose that format. Now you know how to get your book published in Kindle or Amazon. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.